This is our 1116 Blanchard. It's got a 16-inch chuck. It's an older machine. Everything is fully functional. It does have a bit of a knock in the high range in the chuck speeds. Also, the spindle, although feels okay, might be a tiny bit loud, but I think it's still a serviceable machine. I'm going to bring it on for you now. Bringing on wheels. In the higher ranges, the chuck is a lot more quiet. Down feed. You can see it feeding. Power elevation. And the last thing, you can see the green light for the magnet, and magnet is holding. If you go in this direction, you'll see it blinking, and that's demagnetizing. This is our 11 by 16 Blanchard. As I said, in the high ranges, the chuck sounds fine. In the low range, there is a knock. Spindle is decent. It's an older machine, fully functional. Thank you for watching.